Alrighty, so this is almost 100% complete setup. Still have the door right there. Lovely find that I got out of the dumpster from my children's school. Very light. Back of it looks fairly normal, but the front of it's all gross and disgusting like we like. So that has to be framed and put up. Got the pallet wall. Alright, there's the fireplace. Had to move that. It was over there, but I didn't like the look of it. There's some funky potted plants that were left out in front of one of our neighbors' yards. Of course, grabbed those. The painted bookcase. Wall clock. Well, not a wall clock. It's a large grandfather clock leaning against the wall. So I'm going to finish painting that window. That one's finished. Casket. So nice. Very tiny, shrunken hallway here. Kind of hard to see. So I can get my arm back here. It's not very wide. Before I was just using the 4-foot panels, so everything in the haunt had to be 4 foot wide. But I figure I want to create some skinny and uncomfortable spaces. Especially ones that are going to be completely blacked out. That's why you see this one's painted, this one's not. This one's half painted. Yes, I definitely bit off more than I could chew with that painting, but it'll definitely be completely finished next year because I got half of it done. I do like how it looks though. So this is going to be our, like a escape room light, I guess you could say. Because my daughter's going to be doing this. Has to be something easy to do. Made this little, fake cage door. It's got some wheels on the bottom of it. She's going to be in this room, and there's going to be a set of keys hidden. And it's not actually going to be locked, obviously, but she will stop them in here and ask them to find the keys. Just a minute! And then once they do, this will just slide out of the way. Nice and light for her. And then this is going to be another dark hallway here. Okay. You'll notice in these lives I have lots of kids interrupting. It's haunt life, right? And this is going to be another like Heidi area. Person in this space. There's going to be a drape over here and on the top, so it's going to be completely black. No one knows that this is a hidey hole that someone's in. And then there's going to be a curtain over this. And then they can be like the first kind of scare. This is the first of it. Fireplace down there. This is where I had the shutters last year. That was a big hit with the scares, but decided not to try something different this year. And then either someone can stand in this corner over here, or it can be the person over here. Really just depends on how many people we actually have helping out. And then the exit. So I can't wait to get it all decorated. And just got to put up a few more supports. Finish that door. And then we'll be ready to rock and roll. Not this weekend, but the next. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.